Hello everyone, Marwan Hussein is here and welcome to my new Blender course. In this course we're going to create this nice, beautiful nanotron. I saw this nanotron in a movie. In the beginning I thought that this is not realistic, but I made a search on the internet and then I find out that it's really exists. This drone is used for military purposes. They use it to spy, to scan the area, see where's the enemy location, and it could be used for a lot of stuff. It is very nice and simple. After that I decided to create a course teaching you how to create it. In this course we're going to learn modeling, creating material, lighting, illuminating the scene, and make the final render. There are a lot of things in this course. We're going to learn a lot of techniques in the modeling, in the lighting, in the material section. This course is full of fun. Let's browse the other images. Let's see what we got here. As you can see here, we got a lot of details. We're going to cover all of that. The lighting, how to create nice contrast, a result like what you see right here by adding the light in a specific area. And we're going to cover that. We're going to learn how to create the depth of field and the motion blur. As you can see here, we have motion blur in the rotors. There are a lot of fun in this course. There is something important I want to mention here. This course is not for beginners, it's for intermediate and advanced users. If you are a beginner, I advise you to watch my other courses, my beginner courses. If you like this result, you can join me today and I'm going to show you how to create all of that and how can you create a project, nice project like this. Alright, so Marwan Hussein is here and I hope you like the intro, I hope you like the results, and I hope you join me today to learn something new. Okay, so that's it and see you inside.